Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Fizan Ishfaq. Today my topic is pollution causes and its effect. Let us start our today topic pollution. First of all, we have an idea about pollution. So the pollution is that the introduction of harmful particles into environment which causes harmful or poisonous effect to our environment is called pollution. There are different type of pollution: air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. First of all, we describe air pollution. Air pollution: anything that pollutes air atmosphere, include different toxic gases, is called air pollution. And there are many causes and effects of air pollution. Causes: natural sources, human. Natural sources include forest fire, dust storm, human activities like burning of fossil fuel, global warming gases, and acid rain. And some effects are asthma, lungs cancer, respiratory diseases, circulatory disorders. Acid rain make water acidic, like tree destroy, and aquatic environment destroy. Next is soil pollution. Unwanted chemical that present in the soil is called soil pollution. Human activities are the main cause of soil pollution. Soil pollution occurs because of unwanted chemical in the soil due to human activity like using of insecticide and pesticide that absorb nitrogen compound from the soil and make soil polluted. Industrial and commercial waste, mining, deforestation, agriculture waste, etc. cause soil pollution. And the main effect of soil pollution is soil erosion. Because of this, plant cannot grow properly, so they cannot hold the soil, and this lead to soil erosion. Soil pollution affect one from output ratio, and it also contaminate the groundwater. And the next is water pollution. Unwanted substances that pollute the water. Main causes: same human activities through industrial waste and other wastage. Many factors like industrial waste, dumped into river, seas, etc. that cause water pollution. Human daily activity like washing clothes and other activities near lakes, ponds, and river cause water pollution. Effect: polluted water, we are facing diseases like cholera and diarrhea. It is harm and aquatic life, and it affect human depend on them. Next and last is noise pollution. Unwanted sound that are produced and disturb normal activities is called noise pollution. Main causes: the sound of vehicles, industrial work sound, etc. are the main causes of noise pollution. And the harmful effect of noise pollution are hearing loss, sleep disturbance, tiredness, mental losses, hypertension, and other harmful effect. And in the last, I want to give some suggestion and solution for the pollution. First, dispose waste at proper places, recycle and reuse the waste. Different substances, contaminants of threatening waste and wastewater treatment using land treatment techniques. Follow the limit of noise level using anti-noise, a technology that cancel out one noise with another. Also use of noise barriers. Avoid from any burning activities like fossil fuel, burning of fossil fuels. Go green by planting trees. So my today topic is ended. Take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.